Hey guys, Jen here. Today we're going to talk about how you can make money online by taking surveys. Surveys are a great way to make extra income working from home or working online. It's definitely by no means a way to earn a full-time income or replace your 9 to 5, but it is a great part-time income if you're looking for extra money for the movies or extra grocery money. I'm going to show you some of my favorite companies that I personally use to take online surveys. The first one is Vindale. So Vindale Research is a survey company. You can sign up for free. Once you do, you'll be presented with opportunities. So you can take as many surveys as you'd like. It'll show you the payout, about how long it'll take to complete the survey. They even give you $2 for signing up. So that's pretty neat. You can cash out once you have a balance of $50 or more. And the disbursement is via PayPal or by paper check in the mail. The next company that I take surveys through is called User Interviews. Once you sign up with User Interviews for free, you'll be presented with survey opportunities. You'll go through a screener, which is a short questionnaire to pre-screen you to see if you are a good candidate for that particular survey. So you'll go through that process, which is really quick. And then if you are a candidate, you'll be contacted back by email, schedule a time, and then you'll take your survey. These surveys from User Interviews are more high paying. Think instead of maybe $2 or $3, more like $50 or $100. I took a survey from this company earlier this week. It took about 35 minutes and paid about $100. And I received the payment the same day. So that's pretty cool. I would recommend this company here for higher paying surveys. Keep in mind that they are going to be a little bit more involved. Your lower paying surveys are going to be where you would generally log into your computer or phone or tablet, answer questions online. These involve either a phone or video interview or a web interview. So it takes a little bit more, but I think it's worth it. The last company that I use is called Respondent. Respondent works pretty similar to User Interviews. You're going to sign up for free, and then you'll be presented with various opportunities for surveys. These are also higher paying. They start at around $20 to $50, and the highest offer I've seen has been $250. So you go through the various offers to see which one you would like to apply for. You'll go through a screener, and then the same thing, you'll be contacted back if you are a candidate. And then from there you can schedule time and complete the survey. This is also more involved. I completed a survey with this company a few weeks ago, and it was also a phone interview. It took about 30 or 40 minutes, and it involved a screen share. So these ones are a little bit more involved too. Generally pretty simple, but more involved than the $2 or $3 paying surveys where you can just answer questions from a computer screen. So this is the third company. So Vindale, User Interviews, and Respondent are all companies that I have personally used and recommend for higher paying surveys. I'll leave links in the description box below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this. We'll see you next time. Bye.